I like the wireless remote. It makes the functionality a lot easier. I'm not having to walk to the front of the trailer every time. I can just do it from the remote. So having that capability is very effective. So it's got 4 modes. Mode 1 would be rear steer, so you're only able to steer the back set of axles. And then at mode 2 would be counter steer. Mode 3, it's for ride height adjustment. And so like if you come to an obstacle and you need to lift the trailer to avoid messing anything up, you just go into mode 3. And then mode 4 is actually for the widening process. So you can pop the pins out fairly quickly, get the valve set to the correct position, and start rolling and get it scoped out as quickly as possible. With it being able to widen out, from 14 to 20, it allows you to disperse the weight, which a lot of states want you to help with crossing bridges, and being able to scope that out also helps our route. It's not so long because we're not having to drive around all of these things. Allows you to maneuver tight turns with really large loads with little to no issues at all. And then the capability of being able to steer also makes it more flexible and versatile.